These home technology inventions will completely change the way you view homes from now on. You won't believe what's possible. Today we're going to introduce you to two of their impressive closed fireplaces that not only provide warmth, but also add a touch of sophistication to any room. The Sigma Foyer. Both models, the Sigma 79CV and the Sigma 11050, feature vertical sliding glass panels that allow you to enjoy the view of the flames while keeping the warmth inside. These fireplaces use refractory clay, specifically camlite or grog, to ensure excellent heat retention and distribution. If you thought you'd reached the pinnacle of innovation, get ready, because we're about to open the door to something truly amazing. In terms of specifications, the Sigma 79CV has an output of 6.9 kilowatts and can accommodate logs up to 50 centimeters long, making it ideal for those looking for cozy and efficient heat. The Sigma 11050, on the other hand, has a higher output of 12 kilowatts and can handle logs up to 60 centimeters long, making it the perfect choice for larger rooms or those who need more power. Both models are available at a similar price of approximately $4,995, representing an excellent investment in quality and design. The alarming decline of bees, which are dying at a rate of 20% per year, means they could be extinct in just 11 years. If you want to help preserve these vital pollinators, Viamond presents an innovative solution, a hive designed specifically for urban environments. The Viamond is extremely easy to use, making it accessible to even the youngest of children. A child as young as 5 can understand how it works. Its versatile design allows it to be placed in different spaces, from bedrooms to offices, as long as the entrance for the bees is at least 50 centimeters away from windows and doors. Although everything you've seen so far is impressive, we haven't revealed the secret that makes this hive unbeatable, and that is one of the Viamond's most amazing aspects is its ability to maintain an optimum temperature of 34 degrees Celsius, thanks to the bees' natural ability to regulate their environment. In addition, this hive has built-in protection against the dreaded varroa mite, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for the bees. At a price of $780, the Viamond aesthetic model is an investment in the well-being of bees in the ecosystem. It's important to note, however, that the bees are not included, so you can bring your own and take care of them. The German company K-Labs has set a milestone in the world of wellness with the introduction of Espero, the world's first foam steam bath. This innovative system not only changes the way we experience washing, but also creates a unique and immersive atmosphere thanks to the soft white clouds created during the process. And that's just a preview. The most surprising part is its design also incorporates light and sound effects, creating an unparalleled sensory experience that takes personal hygiene rituals to a new level of relaxation and wellness. Once you've enjoyed the cleansing effect of the foam, you can rinse your skin with a regular shower, followed by a refreshing ice shower that revitalizes and tones the body. This innovative foam steam bath has been designed to be compact, ideal for small spaces such as hotels and cruises, taking up just 6 square meters, excluding the service area. In addition, all water pipes are equipped with a system that allows them to be rinsed and disinfected at the touch of a button, ensuring maximum hygiene and ease of use. A team of German engineers has taken the initiative to tackle the challenge of dirty windows with cleaning drones. These versatile flying machines are not only designed to clean windows, but can also tackle solar panels, facades, and other hard-to-reach surfaces, making them an essential ally in building maintenance. What makes this tool truly invaluable? These drones can operate without height restrictions, allowing them to reach difficult areas that would be dangerous or impossible for human cleaners. With impressive efficiency, these drones can cover up to 100 square meters per hour, making them an effective and fast solution for keeping large areas clean. In addition, the technology of the drones quickly adapts to the specific conditions and characteristics of each building, ensuring a personalized and effective service. This approach not only improves the quality of cleaning, but also significantly reduces the risk to human cleaners who would otherwise have to climb high buildings, exposing themselves to unnecessary risk. One of the pillars of Kido's success is its innovative approach. Every major component of its kitchens is designed to perform at least 2 functions. A clear example of this philosophy is the K6 kitchen, which stands out for its multifunctionality. The upper sections of the K6 not only act as worktops, but also as protective covers, lighting systems, and gadget holders, optimizing the use of space. All this is thanks to Peter Locker, who in 1998, frustrated by the lack of original, comfortable, and compact kitchens on the market, decided to take matters into his own hands and create his own kitchen. thus creating the company Kitu. Despite its compact size, measuring just 1.2 by 0.6 by 1 meters, the K6 kitchen doesn't skimp on functionality. Wonder what else is included? Well, it has a sink, fridge, socket, and waste bin, making it the perfect solution for those looking to maximize every square inch of their home. With a starting price of at least $5,450, the K6 is an investment in smart design and comfort. By proving that it's possible to combine style and functionality in a limited space, Kitu has revolutionized the way we think about modern kitchens. Amerimax has made a name for itself in the drainage solutions market with its Flex Drain Pro product, a 10-centimeter diameter corrugated pipe that offers exceptional features for efficient water management. Available in lengths of up to 15 meters, this pipe can withstand pressures of up to 4.7 atmospheres, ensuring its durability and resistance to various conditions. In addition, its load capacity is 30% higher than similar pipes, making it a highly recommended option at just $14. To complement the functionality of the Flex Drain Pro, Amerimax also offers stealth flow blocks, which are designed to divert water from the downspout and away from the house to prevent potential moisture problems. These blocks are designed with a flat profile that allows them to be easily hidden under mulch or long pathways, maintaining the aesthetics of the landscape. A 152-centimeter block retails for $650, making it an effective investment in protecting your home. One of the biggest challenges in storing wine reserves is the interior, as little is said about how the environment affects the flavor of good aging. Therefore, those who appreciate a fine wine collection must be prepared to make a considerable financial commitment and provide meticulous care. Enter the LG Signature Wine Cellar, an innovative cabinet that takes care of all these critical aspects. If you are amazed by this device, wait until you discover the features that will redefine the way you work. Designed by engineers from South Korea, this sleek cabinet is divided into 3 carefully organized sections, one of red wine, another for white wine, and a final one for champagne. This allows each type of wine to be stored in perfect conditions to enhance its flavor and aroma. Convenience is another outstanding feature of this appliance. By simply touching the cabinet, you can activate an internal light that allows you to check your collection without opening the door, helping to maintain temperature and humidity conditions. It also includes a voice assistant, Wi-Fi connectivity, and an automatic opening system to make daily use easier. With a capacity to store up to 65 bottles, the LG Signature Wine Cellar is an ideal option for true wine enthusiasts, and it retails for $5,679. The BenQ GV50 ceiling projector is the ideal solution for enjoying films without getting out of bed. This innovative projector allows you to project images onto the ceiling with a vertical tilt of 135 degrees, creating a unique viewing experience. Designed for comfort, it can be safely placed on a bedside table, and you can adjust the position of the image so that everyone in bed can enjoy it. But let's not forget what makes this product a true ally in your most demanding projects. It features a night mode that minimizes eye strain and a cinema sound mode that optimizes audio quality. Compatible with platforms such as Netflix and Disney+, it projects images up to 120 inches. The battery lasts for 150 minutes, enough for long film sessions. All for $800, the BenQ GV50 will turn every night into a thrilling cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home. As we search for more efficient energy solutions, the future of solar energy could be radically different. Balconies, traditionally seen as the ideal place to install solar panels, could be left behind. Recent research suggests that moving away from the classic flat design and opting for spherical designs could increase the efficiency of solar panels by more than a third. One notable example comes from a team at the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia, who have developed solar panel spheres the size of table tennis balls. Everything we've talked about is just the tip of the iceberg. What makes them truly indispensable is their exceptional performance in every task, as these innovative panels showed an impressive 36% increase in efficiency compared to conventional flat models. This advance opens up new possibilities for maximizing solar energy capture in different architectural configurations. German architect Andre Brussel has taken this idea one step further by creating a prototype solar generator that uses a large glass sphere as a lens. This innovative design not only achieves 35% higher efficiency than conventional solar panels, but also offers a significant advantage on cloudy days, providing up to 4 times more energy. This makes it an extremely promising option for applications such as electric vehicle charging stations, where energy efficiency and resistance to adverse weather conditions are essential.